Meanwhile, flu rates are at their highest in the last 25 years, and the same cannot be said for flu immunization rates. Those rates are even lower in community of color. One study found what works when folks are hesitant to get vaccinated. Here's our Angelina McCall.
All right, let's see over here.
Being a pediatrician
Normal
means having honest conversations.
What's on your mind? What do you want to chat about for your checkup today?
Dr. Joshua Williams knows part of that conversation is about vaccines.
Yeah, there's a lot of transmission going on right now.
Dr. Williams worked on a study for the past year looking at influenza vaccine hesitancy for families of color, specifically within the Black community.
We're in a severe influenza season where we're seeing a lot of hospitalizations, already seeing deaths in children and adults. It's a timely study for the current moment.
What they learned is that Black families were 13% more likely to sign children up for the flu vaccine using a study that used text messages with information from people who looked like them rather than messages that didn't.
It's much more likely to improve confidence in things like influenza vaccines, where historically there's been a lot of hesitancy.
The study comes at a time when kids across the country are being vaccinated less. During the 2020 flu season, 50.4% of children nationwide were vaccinated for the flu. Today, that number has dropped to 41.9%, according to the CDC.
Since the pandemic, we've seen decreases in national vaccination coverage among young children of 3 to 4 to 5% every single year, year over year.
And in Colorado, data from CDPHE shows disparities, with 25.2% of white people being vaccinated this flu season, compared to 18.9% of those who are Black, or even less, 7.6% for people who are Hispanic or Latino.
Big breath.
Dr. Williams knows it's conversations that will change vaccination rates.
All right, say ah. Yeah, it looks good back there.
And this study shows the words matter as much as the people who deliver them.
All right, I think you're good, okay? I don't see anything back there.
That was Angelina McCall reporting. As of today, about a quarter of the state's population is currently vaccinated against the flu. Hospitals are seeing a surge of people hospitalized with influenza, more than 2,400 since October.